It's time again for our annual physical, but in the context of our investment portfolio and financial plan. Just like we're encouraged to visit a doctor once a year for our physical, we want to make sure our goals and investments are on track. So, where do we start in 2025? Well, it has been another strong year in equity markets, whether emerging market, international, or US stocks. And we've come off the back of double-digit gains in 2023 and 2024. Now is the perfect time to take a look at our overall level of portfolio risk and to make adjustments if we have drifted away from our targets. And while we're in portfolios, make sure to take a look at those mutual funds that will have capital gains distributions. There are a number of funds that will have double-digit percentage distributions of their net asset value, and in taxable accounts, it might make sense to sidestep these forced distributions. Next, we ask this question every year. When was the last time you updated your beneficiary designation paperwork? Financial planning extends beyond our investments to our estate plan. And we're not just talking about wills here, but those accounts that distribute based on beneficiary designation paperwork. So, if you've had a major life event or you've had family changes in 2025, make sure to review those documents to ensure that assets will flow in the way that your financial plan is best suited to distribute them. Finally, take a look at your monthly and yearly spending. This is probably the area of your financial plan over which you have the most control. It's not dependent on the whims of the market like our portfolio performance, and it doesn't require you to die to activate like your estate plan. Instead, we can take a look at monthly spending and savings and thoughtfully analyze whether or not our plan is projecting those numbers forward in an adequate way. As always, Bryn Mawr Trust is here to help you plan. Your journey is our commitment.